Hi, and welcome to YouTestMe Get Certified. This video will walk you through the process of training course creation. Training courses represent a series of lessons organized into training steps. Each step can contain a test and attachments, which are training course materials for learning. To create a training course, navigate to the main menu and click on the Create button. Enter the name and optionally a description. Navigate to the Steps tab and click on the Add Step button to start building your training course. Again, enter the name and optionally a description. Training steps are the stages that a candidate needs to pass in order to complete the training course. Each step may contain one of the 9 types of the attachments that can be imported as a file or inserted as a link. Click on the Settings and from the drop-down menu, choose Add Attachment. Enter the name, optionally a description, and select the attachment format. Upload the file or paste the link and click the Save button to confirm changes. Repeat this process for all other course materials. And note, you may add as many steps and course materials to each step as you require. YouTestMe Get Certified supports various types of images, audio, and video files, PDF documents, Google Docs, zip files, and external links. To test candidates' knowledge, you can add a test after each lesson or at the end of the training course. Click on the Add Test and from the drop-down menu, choose the existing one or quickly create an ad hoc. A test whose testing session is created automatically but can only be a part of a training course. To add an existing one, click on the arrow in the Actions column. To enroll candidates to the training course, navigate to Candidates tab and click on the Assign Candidates button. You may choose between all users in the system or from the groups. Tick the box next to the candidate's name you want to assign to the training session and click Confirm button to save the changes. If the training course contains a test, it is essential to create a testing session, navigate back to the Steps tab and click on the test. Go over to the Testing Session tab and click on the New Testing Session button. Type in the session name, choose availability dates, and assign the test to the created training course. This way, candidates who are enrolled to the training course will be automatically assigned to this testing session. Only after candidates go through all training steps and pass tests, they will successfully complete the training course. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.